How you gonna keep that thing from me?
Friends, today I'm gonna be filming a vlog, which is going to be a day in my life under quarantine. I've seen a lot of people doing this, and it's been what, like 2 months, going on 2 months now since we've been under this settle-in. And I think the other day was the first day that my mom left the house in like 48 days. We've been in the house and we've been pretty bored.
Bored in the house, and I'm in the house bored.
And I'm probably not the only one, but I feel like this whole entire situation has really like took a toll on me mentally. We're all just trying to get through whatever it is we're going through. I am gonna go downstairs and brush my teeth. Ooh. I just woke up. I woke up to Aunt Flo chilling on my doorstep like,
hey girl, we a couple days late, but we here.
So this ought to be fun. Hopefully I don't lose the will to continue to film this video, but I'm gonna go downstairs and wash my face, brush my teeth, do all that good stuff. Oh, before I forget, if you guys want to follow me on any social media accounts, they'll be somewhere up here, and they will also be in the description. Keep that in mind if you guys want to follow me. Other than that, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with my day. Also, my nails have been looking real bogus, like I'm sure you guys could tell, so we'll probably fix those today. About a week ago, I got a package from Madam Glam, and they sent over some gel nail polishes, so we'll see what we can do to try to fix these, because oh baby, oh no, this is not acceptable. It's cold. Okay, so I did all that I needed to do. I am about to make me some breakfast. I have to brush through my hair though, because my hair is going on like 4 or 5 days of not being washed, and lately my hair has been getting like greasy really fast, and I don't understand why, because I don't do anything. And when it gets greasy, it gets really like knotted, so I have to constantly brush it out. But look how long my hair is getting. Wow. And I really don't know, I don't know what I've been doing, but whatever I'm doing is working. I don't know, I'm not gonna question God. All right, y'all, time to go make some breakfast.
That's #1 for hip hop and R&B.
Where you at? Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What's this vlog about?
I'm just vlogging my day, you know.
Who needs insurance out there?
Okay, y'all, so I just finished eating. I am going to get dressed, and I'm gonna see if my brother wants to go for a run. If not, I'm just going to work out in my basement. That's normally where I work out. I don't really want to work out outside today, just because it's a little chilly today. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling my cramps kicking in. I'm about to take a leave, and then I'm just going to let those settle a little bit, and then I'm gonna work out and then take a shower and just chill the rest of the day, because I can't really bear anything else. I'm gonna get dressed, and I'm gonna see you guys in a second. actually gonna jump into the shower right now because yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in a second. Yep. Hey friends, so I've been out of the shower for like an hour and a half already, and I've just been laying on my bed. I literally just got dressed like 10 minutes ago. I'm trying to push myself to continue to like do what I wanted to do. Like I really wanted to do my nails because they look so bogus, but I don't think I can do it. My stomach is on 10 right now. I'm just not feeling so hot, so I don't know if I even want to start that right now and then have to wait for them to dry. I'm just gonna not do that. I do want to show you something though. My mom just walked into my room like a couple minutes ago and she got me this little like tie-dye rainbow lighter, but like that's not even the coolest part. It lights up. Tell me that is not cool. That's cool as heck. Like what? This is everything. This is so dope. I love my mom, man. That was dope of her. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to do right now. I might take a nap. I might cry. I don't know. If I don't end this vlog, I will probably try to make this like a 2-day type of vlog, because everything that I wanted to do today just did not work out, besides my workout. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey y'all, so it is currently 10 o'clock. Yeah, I'm gonna continue to vlog tomorrow. Lewis actually dropped off some things for me. I guess I can show you because like, I don't know, maybe we'll turn it into a little haul. First thing is what's underneath my shirt. He got me one of these little like refillable water bottle thingies that you fill with either like hot or cold water, and it's like used for pain relief. So I filled it up with hot water and I've been like sitting with it pressed against my stomach. This made my day. This is gonna come in clutch. If you don't have one of these, go and get one. He got it from Walgreens. Wow. And all you do is like, you twist it open. This is real old school. You just twist it open, fill it up, and boom. I'm gonna catch up with you guys tomorrow, because as I said, I'm tired and I just want to lay down right now. I'm definitely bleaching some clothes tomorrow just because I wanted to do that today, but that didn't happen. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so I was not trying to continue this vlog super late, but it seems like that's what we're gonna have to do. I still have to do my nails. I'm definitely gonna do those, and then well, actually first I'm gonna bleach what I said I was gonna bleach. I'm actually gonna try to bleach a jogging set because I've been seeing that that's kind of like the thing, the bleach jogging sets and like the tie-dyed sets. So I don't have any tie-dye, but I do have bleach, so we gonna make it work. This is the jogging set I'm trying to bleach up. These are just some basic $10 joggers. I have this Champion sweater. These are two things that I am going to bleach up, and I'm actually going to try them on real quick so you can see how they look before. Okay, so I had to turn on my ring light so you could see, but this is what the jogging set, even though it's not an actual like matching set. I think the blacks are kind of like two different kind of blacks, but that's okay. This is what it looks like. This is how it looks beforehand. Okay, so I am outside. I'm doing this outside because it only makes sense to do this outside. I have everything that I want to bleach here. Got the sweater and I got the joggers. I'm doing this in a bucket just because I don't want bleach getting everywhere, and I feel like if everything stays in here, it'll just help the process. We have bleach here. Actually, I went ahead and put bleach into these bottles because what I'm gonna do is, instead of like soaking the clothes in the bleach, I'm just gonna squirt the bleach all over the clothes in the bucket. This water bottle has a hole in it, and then I have this little Neutrogena body wash that I filled the bleach in. Okay, so I placed the sweater in the bucket and I kind of just like sat it in there, and you see how it's kind of crinkled naturally. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm literally just gonna leave it like that. I'm also not going to rubber band it or anything. I'm just gonna squirt the bleach right onto it. So you can kind of see it's already starting to change a little bit. I think what I'm gonna do is just flip it and let it sit on the other side and then do the same thing. So while I'm waiting for the sweater to turn, I kind of want to talk about what I'm trying to do. So I've been seeing people do, hey girl, what I've been seeing people do is like, there's one way to, I guess, like one way of how it could look bleached, black clothing. So I have a picture here, and then there's another way that I've been seeing people do, which is this side, and I'm trying to get it to look like this, like not so bleached to where it looks orange, but like that little brown tint, like that burnt tint. I really love that, and I'm trying to go for that. So hopefully it kind of works out that way. If it doesn't, I don't know, because I can't control bleach. What it does is what it does. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is kind of how it's looking. It's not really changing too much. I mean, you can kind of see it's definitely lightened, but not too much. I'm waiting for my brother to help me, and my niece is at the door trying to entertain me. Go ahead, girl. Oh, an artist. But I need, okay.
I'm in a rocket. I'm in a rocket.
This is how we looking. You can't even see it, but like, well, I don't know. It doesn't look like you can see it, but hopefully you can. It still needs to settle a little bit, but we getting somewhere. Now time to move on to the joggers. So I finished the bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and use the other bottle that I mentioned, and I'm gonna use that to go over them again. The pants are starting to turn. I don't know if you could see on camera, but they're looking a little brown. So as I said, I'm gonna go over everything one more time, and then we'll see how it all comes out. Okay, this is how they're looking so far. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie, because this was a different kind of black, like a different shade of black than this. So as you can see, there's a slight difference. Like, I don't know if you could tell on camera, but it's looking a little like grayish, like purpley almost, and then over here kind of looks a little more orange. So I'm about to put them both in the wash, and we'll see how they turn out. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna give y'all a sec. Okay. So this is how it turned out. I hope you're not able to pick up the like color difference on camera. It kind of did what I was afraid it was gonna do, because of the two different shades of black. The bleach looks a little different. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but in like really good lightings, you'll probably be able to see. But this is how it's looking. I really like it, and this is exactly how I wanted it to come out too. Like, I did not want it to be too brown, not too brown, too orange, and it's perfect. Ugh. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So I think this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. I didn't get to do my nails today, but we'll do them another time. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was a little long, but I managed to do a couple things that I really wanted to do. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe and comment down below what other videos you'd like to see from me. Also follow me on other social media accounts. They will be listed up here once again. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.